We have almost reached the end of gypsum product, and it has been a wonderful journey because now you'll be able to write one long answer. But it does come with a bonus point. Keep watching the video to know till the end. Hello everyone. Once again, I'm Dr. Riddhi Lalan, author of Dental Material Mind Map book and a prosthodontist, and this is the final video for gypsum product. And it is definitely upon the specialized gypsum product that we're going to learn today. So apart from these 5 types, there are modifications that are done to serve specific purpose for your dental procedures. Talking about the dental investment. So basically, whenever you're going to need gypsum product to prepare your refractory models, you are going to add certain material like silica, quartz, cristobalite, which will actually increase the temperature tolerance. Now, in the last video, there was a pinned section that was talking something about silica filler. If you have not paid attention to it, because I did not explain, go back to the video, see what it is, because it is important, need point of view. Then, there is one more material that is used for divestment. So what is it? It is basically to make your refractory dye. So it combines dye stone along with gypsum bonded investment material and colloidal silica, basically to improve properties like setting expansion and thermal expansion. Then is the synthetic gypsum. So how exactly is it manufactured? It is not. It is a byproduct which is obtained during the manufacturing of phosphoric acid. And it is available in 2 types, that is alpha and beta. It is more expensive than natural gypsum because it's really difficult to manufacture. You have to produce so much of phosphoric acid to obtain minimum amount of the byproduct that comes out. So definitely because of its synthesis, it is difficult to obtain and expensive. Orthodontic stone, what you use in your ortho labs, also commonly known as orthocal. Why? What is the modification? Basically, there is a very prolonged working time that comes in picture. So it is nothing but your type 3 with a very long working time because you have to pour multiple models, study models. So hence this was one of the alteration and it is under your specialized gypsum product. Then talking about resin modified. Why do we actually need to modify with resin? What would be the need? It's nothing but to make it resistant to abrasion. If you want your stone or your cast to be preserved for a very long duration of time and for it to not abrade that easily, we have to add fillers. And by that I mean you add resin to it. So it is nothing but alpha hemihydrate along with your synthetic resin, which imparts quality like making it less brittle, improving the surface smoothness, definitely making it resistant to your abrasion. And the mounting plaster. So we do use type 2. Why do we have to alter the property? Basically, to lower the setting expansion. Because if at all your articulator, so you would have observed that at times when you do mounting and it stays for a very long period of time, your mounting just detaches from the ring. Why does that happen? Because the setting expansion is high and that leads to detachment. In order to avoid that, what you need to do is nothing but just use your mounting plaster because it just has an alteration that actually leads to lowering down their setting expansion by adding modifiers. Which modifiers? We have discussed in the last lecture. You need to tell me in the comment section. Okay, and then we have something known as fast setting stone. Now, why do I need setting stone that sets faster? Nothing but just to allow it to set within 5 minutes. And we can obtain it instantly. It is just that in this fast world, we want everything to happen faster. So this was one of the trick of inventing fast setting stone. So if you have a question, There will never be a simple question on specialized gypsum product. But yes, if you are asked a question about gypsum product and you add an additional section of specialized gypsum product, it shows that you have read between the lines. You have read your book thoroughly. So this thing can help you fetch extra marks. And also, because you stayed here for such a long time, I would want to reward you with 500 coins on the app. You have to use this referral code and you'll be able to earn 500 coins. Good going, bravo, keep studying. I am so proud of you. I hope you understood the topic well. Let's just quickly solve the MCQ and the flashcard. So, why are resin modified dental stones preferred for die fabrication? Nothing but because they are resistant to indentation. Again, placing the cap multiple number of times and removing it will just lead to indentation. And to avoid these, we incorporate fillers or resins. So it makes it more durable and gives a very accurate die that will not abrade or have indentations. Wonderful. A very easy question. Orthocal is classified as which ADA type? It's type 3. I didn't even have to look at the options. You should be this thorough with the topic. And if you have enjoyed this, I am sure you will also enjoy learning from the mind map book, which is so colorful, beautiful. I enjoyed preparing it. You will enjoy learning from it. So go quickly grab your copy today, order and use this discount coupon because you made it till the end. You watched 8 videos and you deserve rewards. Thank you so much.